What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ice Guy Cody. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to tell if a battery is gone completely or is it your alternator or not. But I'm gonna go and get to the video. It's gonna be a short, probably about a minute or two clip, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So first thing first, you wanna start your car. So I got my car started, y'all. We're gonna start with the alternator, the trick for that. So I already got my positive loose. Make sure you loosen your positive terminal. And once you do that right there, take it off. If it cut off, that means you need an alternator. That's the easy way on how to tell if you need an alternator. If it cut off right now, that means I need an alternator. So my alternator is good. But we're gonna go back to the battery. If the battery was bad, it wouldn't start like that. My battery real good. That's a brand new battery I got in my car. And my battery light on. So you don't listen to your battery light all the time too, because that can be, you can probably have a blown fuse or something, and you'll be thinking you need an alternator or a battery. Another thing, YouTube, make sure your terminals are tight. Like I'm finna tighten my terminals up, but my terminals have been loose for a couple days now. I'm gonna go and tighten them up, because you're not getting a good connection. Your alternator ain't gonna be able to charge your battery. You ain't gonna be able to keep your battery charged because it ain't got no good connection. But alright, YouTube, that's all I wanted to show y'all in this video right here. Like and subscribe. I'll be back with y'all in the next.